Wow.
Of course. It's your seat.
Thank you. We begin today at JFK's Terminal 8. I was warmly greeted at the dedicated lane for first-class passengers and was soon on my way through security. Just after security, you'll make a quick right and be at the elevators for the Soho Lounge. The Soho Lounge is quiet, elegantly decorated, and has plenty of food and seating options. You can order food and drinks at your table, visit one of the multiple self-serve stations, or check out the beautiful bar as well. Soon, it was time to board this very anticipated flight on Japan Airlines' brand new first-class product. Once on board, you'll be immediately wowed by the sheer size of the suite and how beautifully designed it is. In your left corner, there is a USB Type A and C, a universal charging outlet, and even a wireless charging pad. Next is your removable tablet, various seat controls, and a small literature pocket. Front and center is a massive 43-inch 4K screen and a large ottoman which doubles as storage. You can fit a pretty large carry-on plus a backpack in here if needed. Below the TV is another set of charging outlets, as well as a larger magazine rack and a fairly large storage cabinet that had the premium Bang & Olufsen headphones inside. There's a massive tray table that slides out very easily, and a small mini bar and another storage compartment below. Next to your door is a small closet which had a pretty interesting area to store your shoes. The right side of your seat has more seat controls, even more charging outlets, and another tray table. This side of the seat has its own seat belt, armrest, and can recline independent of the other side, which is really cool. As I got familiar with my seat, I learned something that would make this flight just a bit more exclusive. Got the whole cabin to myself. All 6 seats. Nobody else in first class. I had an orange juice as a pre-departure beverage and started going over the various items waiting for me at my seat. There is an amenity kit, skincare kit, some comfy pajamas, and some nice slippers. Once we were in the air, I checked out the IFE, which is definitely a treat on the 43-inch screen. One feature to Japan Airlines is their in-seat speakers. I was curious to test this out since you supposedly shouldn't need headphones. The novelty of this feature is pretty cool, but in practice it doesn't quite hit the mark.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, I heard you take the first meal, the course menu?
Yes.
Yes, and yes. You already ordered the Bilkan salmon.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
And we have the Japanese course and the Western course.
Okay.
Yes. Of course, we have the a la carte menu if you like meal first.
Can I just do the caviar from the a la carte, and then I'll do
What's your Japanese course?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is a Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, thank you.
The menu is presented in a monogram leather folio along with customs and arrival forms, as well as a free Wi-Fi voucher. The purser soon returned to set my table and begin the meal service. Got me a fresh towel.
This is a prosciutto and asparagus. This cream is balsamico cream cheese.
Okay, thank you. Cheers. There are plenty of drink options as well as Japanese, Western, and a la carte menu to choose from. I went with the Japanese menu and added the option of caviar to start. Thank you. Yeah, a little bit of everything on there. It's delicious. I then made my way through the many courses of the Japanese menu, which were all quite enjoyable. Thank you.
Chopsticks is okay for you?
Thank you. Yeah, I know how to use chopsticks.
So next one is a Japanese clear soup with yellowtail fish and spinach.
Okay. Thank you. Japanese set menu. So much stuff. It's really good. Pre-order this special limited edition Hibiki. Got a really cool bag. So this is the Hibiki Suntory Whiskey Anniversary Blend, 100th Anniversary Whiskey. After dinner, I checked out the Amenity Kit, which was decently stocked. I then changed into the comfortable pajamas in the pretty spacious lavatory. While I was changing, the FAs made up the bed in the suite across from me. I had a choice of firm or soft mattress topper, which is definitely a nice added touch. The bed is very spacious and I had no trouble getting a few hours of sleep. After a few hours, I started my next meal with some more champagne. I then tasted one of Zhao's signature drinks, the Deluxe Queen of Blue Tea, which was amazing. It's easily one of my favorites now. I had another round of caviar while watching a movie. And then tried the special Hibiki Matsui curry dish. Not long after, I would soon land in Japan once again. I can easily say this flight met and exceeded the hype, and I can't wait to fly this again.